Ngisa ukuthi uDokotela uNgubane akasekho emhlabeni kanti ushonele khona esibhedlela iMelomed.
It is with regret that we confirm that this retired politician, former KZN Premier and Minister of Health, SABC and Eskom chairperson has demised earlier this morning at around 01:40 a.m.
Isibhedlela sithi umkhakha wezempilo ulahlekelwe kakhulu ngokwedlula emhlabeni kaDokotela uNgubane.
Our family mourns this great loss as Dr. Ngubane played a pivotal role in the transformation of the private healthcare landscape in northern KZN in his advisory capacity, and we will personally miss his guidance and teaching.
iMelomed eRichards Bay yedlulisa amazwi enduduzo emndenini kaDokotela uBen Ngubane.
Our thoughts and prayers are with his wife, Mrs. Sheila Ngubane, his children and grandchildren during their time of bereavement, as we mourn this great loss together with them.
uDokotela uNgubane wedlule emhlabeni seneminyaka engama-79 ubudala phakathi kwezikhundla aseke wazibamba ngesokuba ngusihlalo webhodi le-SABC kanye nele-Eskom. Wake waba ungqongqoshe wezobuciko namasiko kusuka ngo-1994 kuya ku-1996 kanti e-SABC waqala ngo-2014 wesula ngo-2017. NginguCalvin Dludla wezindaba ze-SABC.